is Aaron. Once again, I'm Taylor. It's going to be our first time going to Whistler. Lived in Vancouver for about 8 months. It's pretty expensive up there. At least $200 for a night in a hotel room. So we decided to wait until the summer season when we could get a campsite. And we got one for around $30. Just made a quick pit stop at Britannia Mine. The building you see behind me is called The Mill. It is widely used as a filming location. There's 2 TV shows that you might be familiar with. Both are on Netflix. One's called Altered Carbon. And then underground in the mine site itself, there were scenes for The 100, which is a Netflix show that originally aired on the CW. Both really good shows. I recommend checking them out. Just finished setting up camp. Gonna start a fire, have some dinner, and enjoy the evening. So we're just settling in for the evening. The rain has started to pour down. Tomorrow we're gonna run the Tough Mudder, 7:45. Erin's excited. Okay, apparently she's not excited. We just woke up. It's time to get ready, or we can just go back to sleep. So we just got back from the Tough Mudder and we showered up. And now we are making sausages on the barbecue. So we managed to forget both buns and condiments. We're gonna have plain sausages. And we just signed up to go bungee jumping tomorrow, 11:30. We're scared. We recently went skydiving. Wasn't that bad. Bungee jumping could be a completely different story. I don't know, you tell me. To Whistler Bungee. There goes nothing. So we're just heading up to the bridge. Somebody just jumped off in front of us. It's starting to feel a little more real. Just finished checking in for our jump. Just waiting in line now. Feeling pretty nervous, but it's gonna be like a band-aid. We're gonna rip it off, get it done, and then we're gonna feel amazing. We're gonna be on top of the world. See, there's some people behind me getting ready to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
He's dead. Oh my
We did it! We survived. How was it?
Better. I'm glad I did it.
Just glad you did it. That was fun. Excellent.
Awesome.
Woo. So we're here at Whistler Mountain. You can see behind me. Ski hill is transitioned into a mountain biking hill. Everybody's coming down the runs and then they get back in line to go up on the chairlift. Got back from our weekend adventure in Whistler. Now we're gonna go get some pizza.
Tea, sweet tea,
sweet
tea, sweet
tea, sweet.
7:30.